Are you ready to up your game? I knew you'd be. I knew I could count on you. Now get ready for this. We are going to see some more variables, but we're going to put those variables in a list. Yes, you get to create your first list. Then we're going to join all of those variables in our list in that order and tell it how we want that separated. And that's with an underscore. Get ready for this. First of all, we're going to define our strings and our variables. First name equals, double quote, Tom. I could use single quotes, you know that. And nickname equals Tara with my quotes. So I've got a variable, first name and nickname. Now I'm going to define our sequence. This is going to be a list in this order. Sequence is just the name, is going to equal, open paren, nickname is first, followed by a comma, and then first name is second. So that defines the order or the sequencing of our list. Now I'm going to join both of these into a new string or a new variable. I'm going to call that name equals, double quotes, underscore, double quotes. That will be the separator, dot join. So it says join these sequences together and separate those with an underscore. Now name is ready to go, and I say print name, and it's going to print out Tara underscore Tom. That's how you join variables with a sequence. I'm pulling for you. I've got a little quiz. I know you're going to come through. Don't fail me, soldier. Now, can we be friends? Question mark. Is everything I've put in the list for you. Can you take this and on the next two lines that I've got blacked out, can you write the code that's going to print the result I'm looking for at the bottom? Good luck. Go. As you can see here, we have our words, can we be friends, and we have our question mark. All of these are in my list and they're sequentially how I want them. You did a great job. You gave yourself a variable name. I called it sentence equals a literal space, literal with single quotes, could have been double, dot join those words, and then you print out the variable name. Can we be friends? Great job.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. The next is Query Chameleon, a query tool looking to help your data adapt to any surroundings.